and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too.
Hey guys, welcome to Yardie TV, and today I am here to show you guys how I made this lovely carrot cake. I ended up trying my hand at it for the very first time, and if you're interested in seeing how I did it, just be sure to stay tuned. So to start the process, I am starting with my food processor, and to that I'm adding 4 whole eggs, yes, white and the yolk alike. Adding that to the food processor. Make sure you get everything out of the bowl. And then I am using brown sugar. You can opt to use white sugar if you prefer. I am actually using 1 full cup of brown cane sugar. Yeah, pour that on the eggs, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get that blended. Alright, and so we're going to be adding some oil. I'm going to be using olive oil, but you can choose to use whatever oil you prefer. I'm using 1 cup of olive oil and just pouring it and adding it to the sugar and egg mixture that's already in the food processor. And just pulse that together and mix it properly. So having blended the mixture, I'm just going ahead and pouring it into this metal bowl that I have here. And to that mixture, I'm adding 2 cups of the pulp of carrots that were juiced earlier in the day. And that is how you guys can utilize every ounce of your food item. Usually I would throw this out and it would just, be a waste. But, the hubby suggested that we actually use it to make carrot cake. So, yes. So I add 2 cups of that pulp and mix it into the sugar, oil, and egg mixture. And now I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour and just carefully folding that into the mixture, being sure that it is properly blended and mixed in. And now for the fun part, guys, you can add your spices to your taste, and I am just adding 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg that you can see me now grating. And be sure not to cut your hands, because this thing can be very dangerous if you don't know how to use it properly. Alright, so I've added that's nutmeg. And And now I'm gonna add some Benjamin vanilla, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm adding a teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder. Yes, and baking powder also is very important. It's 1 teaspoon of baking powder added to the mixture. Yes. And I went ahead and added 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda also, which helps to give the carrot cake a very soft, fluffy consistency. That's my baking soda right there. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That elbow grease in by just folding all of those ingredients together. And to give the cake an even richer carrot flavor, I am adding some of the previously juiced carrot juice to the batter. Yes, believe it or not, because most times people use carrot that was not previously juiced, and so it's richer in flavor. So I figured that I should add a little bit more of the juice, so I get, I don't shortchange myself of that rich carrot flavor. So what I did is I added actually a 1/2 cup of that carrot juice that I previously juiced. Look at that butter, guys. Perfect. And here's my secret weapon. Yes, secret ingredient. This is some star anise extract, some anise extract that I'm adding to the butter. Literally only 2 drops. This is a very intense flavor, guys, so you don't want to overdo it, because then it will totally overpower your ingredients, your other ingredients. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the batter to this rectangular baking pan that has been lined with parchment paper. Make sure you get all of that butter into the pan. You don't want to waste anything. And the next step is to ensure that the batter is equally distributed in the pan, using a spatula if necessary. And I'm just going to bake it for 35 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And voila! So this is how the carrot cake turned out, guys. And what you're seeing on top is just some raisins that I had gone ahead and sprinkled on top before I stuck it in the oven. And yes, I'm going in for the cut. So soft, so succulent. I love the golden brown color. I was very amazed at how soft and how tasty this carrot cake turned out. Yes, for a first try, I'm pretty pleased. Very soft to the touch. This this is awesome. Yeah, my first carrot cake for the win. Topped with whipped cream and grated chocolate and sprinkled with coconuts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next video.